Lamsogo haino hai nai tongnai ta khoktai bokhok songno chinini video chung nai central ni kaisa job government job ni notification government of India ni phaisingtui notification lamokjak railway recruitment board ni phaisingtui abongkha railway Indian railway langjaknai nge ar jaga tongo notification recruitment for various posts in level 1 of 7 CPC pay metric government of India ni phaisingtui tiklaijak Ministry of Railway recruitment boards by naikoljak ke oroni important dates rok nailainai tei koita vacancies tong obo hairok kaham nailainai first nugui mankha important dates and times recruitment board railway recruitment board ni bagai apply khainani bagai aro date rojak tongo opening date wngkha 23 tarik January 2025 ni simi online apply cholenai registration wngkha ke closing date rojakha 22 tarik February 2025 wngkha ke payment aljaga payment rona nango application fee ni bagai payment ronani last day rojakha 24 February 2025 o ke aro tongo 25 tarik theke 25 tarik February theke 6 tarik March 2025 joratei correction khai mannai jekono nerongni online khaithani o mistake rok tongkha hingke correction khai mannai hingke aro koita post tong koita vacancies tong abono kisa naiwi nailainai aro tongo aro rojak tongo post wise various post in level 1 of 7 CPC pay metric hinui initial pay amongkha monthly salary 18,000 khaiwi salary mannai medical standard ni bagui rojak tongo as per annexure A1 manainai aro ni bagui age limit rojago age limit wngkha 18 bochor theke 36 bochor jora yachakjaknai o post ni bagui aro total vacancies tongo 32,438 ta all over India ni bagui 32,438 ta vacancies tongo okay aro teibo age limit rojak tongo mane age relaxation mannai level 1 ni bagui 18 bochor theke 33 bochor COVID-19 ni bagui 3 bochor relaxation mannai hingke 18 bochor theke 36 bochor hai apply khai mannai hingke aro ni bisingo chini ST SC rok ni bagui 5 bochor khaiwi relaxation mannai mane 36 bochor plus 5 bochor wngkha ke 41 bochor hai chini SC ST rok ni bagui relaxation mannai 41 bochor joratei apply khai mannai o railway recruitment board ni phaisingtui naharjakmani o apply khai mannai hingke belai ke chances kaham hingke aro important notification tongo o jagao apply khainani bagui o post no apply khainani bagui matriculation mane qualification nangmani qualification nangnai minimum madhyamik pass wngkha hingkhana apply khai mannai o post ni bagui hingke belai no sujok kaham opportunity kaham manui tongo matriculation pass ni bagui railway o naharjaknai wngkha hingke aro teibo kaham notification rojak tongo aro application fee nangnai examination fee nangnai application fee nangnai general candidate rokni bagui 500 taka aroni bisingo 400 taka return manai tangui hinga exam o achukangke return mannai 400 taka hingke aro tongo SC ST rokni bagui 250 taka examination fee nangnai aroni bisingo jodi si exam achukangke nang return mannai 250 taka mane full no return manai mannai belai ni kaham hingke oro jaga fee ronani bagui online payment khai mannai debit credit card net banking abo hairok bai UPI abo hairok bai roi mannai online application fee hingke aro tei kaisa nangkukmani notification wngkha recruitment process o tongo first o tongnai computer based test CBT test naharjaknai boni yagulo tongnai physical efficiency test boni yagulo tongnai document verification boni pore tongnai medical examination aboni yagulo norokno notification rojaknai information mannai nirokni mobile number ni SMS through teke hayakeba email ni ID o send khaijagui tongnai nirokni pura process notification mannai aro tei kaisa important notice nugui mankha computer based test ni bagui full details rojakha aro exam duration in minutes 90 minutes mane 1.5 ghonta exam naharjaknai aroni bisingo tongnai general science o 25 mathematics o tongnai 25 general intelligence and reasoning o tongnai 30 general awareness and current affair o tongnai 20 abo haike full mark tongnai full question tongnai 100 questions 100 mark khaiwi mannai hingke aro jaga teibo notice rojak tongpikha 1/3 mane 3ta chayakangkhe 1 number tangjaknai kat wngnai negative mark ni bagui hingke aro teibo syllabus rojak tongo subject wise or mathematics ni tamo syllabus tong aro pura details rok naiwi manai notification download khaina di ani description o link rojak tongo hingke aro tei kaisa important notification nugui mankha physical efficiency test ni bagui tamo khaina nangno male candidate rok hingkhe 35 kg twiwi 100 meters run wngma khainai carry ma khainai 2 minute ni bisingo 100 meters 35 kg twiwi tei yagulo tongnai 1000 meters 4 minute 15 seconds ni bisingo run ma khainai bwrui rok hingkha 20 kg 100 meter ma twinai 2 minute ni bisingo tei tongnai 100 meters 5 minute 40 seconds ni bisingo run ma khainai hingke ani o notification hayakeba ani o video ni bisingtwi nirok kisalo busui mankha na hingke full details nirok sai manna bagui o notification no download khaiwi kaham khe nainadi tini ni video asuk nangnai video no chajak wngkha like khai di share khai di tei kwtal naitongkha subscribe khainadi teibo bwskang ni salo abo hai teibo job ni notification manna bagui jotono hambai।